Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will create Helsinki bus line 90A, which is again one of these special kind of lines. It starts from the Helsinki City Railway Station and ends to the Vuosaari Harbour. It only runs once during early morning hours and twice during late evenings. That's perhaps why it is listed under the night lines despite being an A line. And once again, as you are probably used to by now, I will start by creating the line and then building roads where they are necessary. So we do the usual tricks and we head eastwards from the city center. The question is if we still head straight on the Itäväylä or not. And the answer probably is yes, we do, which makes things, of course, a bit more interesting. So the following stop will actually be located right here. Let's see. How do I destroy this part of track? Oh, that's it. That's how you do it. Great. Because another NIMBY bus stop is located right here, and now I will have to hope that my mouse survives this the making of this video, because it's starting to be a bit short of battery at the moment. It's been sluggish for days, but now it's getting worse and worse and worse. Come on here. Okay, what a stupid thing to do there, but never mind. And that's it. Now it's connected with the existing track. But then we will also have to delete the station here and make it a sort of platform of the Herttoniemi station. There we go. That's it. That's the station, and then we need to add the signals. Come on. Okay, and the following stop. In Finnish, it's called Konemestarin katu. But let's see first of all what it is in Swedish. I will have to look the place from my map because, or look up the place from my map because it's been ages since I've had to create really new stops, and the map is completely in the wrong place. But I think this is where it is. Konemestarin katu, Maskinmestaregatan is the following stop. Its location is right here. There we go. And then that's it. Another nice stretch of new track created, a new road created for a change. These are probably the longest distances that I've done in ages. The following stop is at the Siilitie metro station, I think. And I seem to be right. Yes, that's correct. And there is this Siilitie stop right over. As you can see, I have issues with the mouse at the moment. I think, just hold on, I will change the batteries. That will probably solve it. This is one of the cons of cordless mouses. I originally bought one because I was aware of this issue, but I bought one because I wanted to be able to use the computer from my bed. It's been handy. I very rarely do it. But now I have to change batteries while filming videos, which is great. Absolutely, come on out of there, thank you. Absolutely great. Well, isn't that much better now? Would you look at that? Right, so these tracks are a part of the Siilitie station. There it goes. And then we'll just connect it with the previous stop. There. There. And this is a fairly interesting concept, but I will not split the I will not split the lanes. I will then figure out something later. But there is a stop at Itäkeskus here under the bridge, or not exactly under the bridge, quite on the contrary, very much past the bridge. Yep, it's here. And once again, I will have to delete the station and make it a platform of Itäkeskus. There we go. And Then let's see if that's a bridge. Great, it is a bridge. I have been wise. I have been wise while creating this original track or road. Now let's see if that's a bridge. And I think it probably isn't. No. Which is also pretty sensible because actually this stretch of road is on the bridge. There we go. And then we land down from the bridge and we land down there. Let's see if this is a bridge. It isn't. So let's build one over this troubled water. This, let me tell, oops, no, not over there. Why is that turn? This area will cause me troubles for later on, I can assure you. But later on will come later on, so let's try to survive until later on, because this area doesn't really resemble the original roadmap. It's far the original roadmap is far more complex. So let's just see what will happen and live with it later on when the time comes. Oops. Well, let's see if I will return to familiar tracks after Itäkeskus. I guess I won't actually, because I'm, well. Or yes, actually will. After the stop at Itäkeskus, we take a right turn to Itäväylä, where we will stop at Rusthollarin tie. Probably it's going to be called Rusthollagatan. No, Rusthållarvägen. Now let's just see. I will build this in a slower city road mode because in reality the speed limit is about 60. And the following stop is Meripellon tie. And that's what we already have there. So the final new thing on this stretch of track, may I point out, this stretch of track, we're not done yet, is to create this section between the Itäväylä and the existing line over there. And then we will build this stretch of track and let's see where we left the line. Okay, we have conflicts. Where do we have a conflict? And what do you mean I cannot build this? It probably is the area around the... Not there. Around here, I would say, and I'm correct. So what if I just edit the profile of the rotor bits? And there we have it. Welcome to new reality. Now where was I? We stop at Kipparlahti. Then we stop at this new stop in Herttoniemi. Oh yes, there goes Konemestarin katu, Siilitie. Wait, there's nothing between Siilitie and Itäkeskus. Nope. And then Rusthollarintie, Meripellontie, Puotilantie, and Vuosaaren silta. Then let's see, because I think we'll have to resort to construction again. Indeed. Indeed, we are far from there yet. The following stop is another platform of the Rastila metro station. And let's just first connect it there. And then make it a platform of the Rastila metro station. So there and there and there. And there. That's it. Completed. The following stop. Where do we go then? Venemestarin tie. Wait, what? Okay, 1 second. Venemestarin tie, Båtmästarvägen after the bridge. That's here. Quite a long stop there again for some strange reason because of the platform changes, but who cares? After Venemestarin tie, the following stop is called Mustankiven katu. Okay, but it's located at the station, but it's called Mustankiven katu, like whatever. Well, whatever. This was a surprisingly long and intensive line to create. Oops. And after Mustankiven katu, we just continue straight on to Vuotie, Nordvägen, probably Nordvägen, I think it's Nordvägen. It's Norvägen. I see. So Vuosaari is called Nordsjö, but Vuotie is called Norwegen. This makes absolutely no sense to me, but whoever names these stops and stations must know better than I do. And after Vuotie, we're back on familiar grounds, and we join the line of 90-something, which also leads to the station, the seaport. And I think we will run parallel with it for the rest of its, for the rest of it. So we will just once again build everything and then concern ourselves with the line, which at the moment is lost somewhere over there. And then after Aurinkolahti, it's Itä-Reimarintie, Satamakaari, Käärmenniementie. Voimalaitokset and Hansa-terminaali. Great, great. Well, then let's go back to the city, shall we? And that's it, line ready. I will not have to buy too many buses, remembered, because the line runs so rarely. Oh well, the only issue is that when it runs every 30 minutes, so. So there we have it. The line is complete, the video is complete, and I will return tomorrow with another video. So, thank you very much for watching, and all that's left to say is bye.